baby.
Alright. How's everybody feeling? Everybody Charles, everybody Charles.
Alright, yeah, we need to keep it rotating. I got 2 more artists before the next round, then we got words performing, and then we can continue. And listen, this is how it goes down. Don't nobody know who's advancing. What we're gonna do is words is gonna rock, and then we're gonna start calling artists. So you'll have no idea if you're in or you're out. We're gonna start calling 6 more artists in the next round. So if you are not one of those 6, you are out. And that's how it goes down, y'all. We got 2 more left though, 2 more left.
Yeah.
Can I please get highlight to the stage? Highlight.
Highlight. Let's
Highlight to the stage.
No, it's for highlight.
Highlight. Please come to the stage, sir. Highlight. Highlight. I see him. I see him. I see him. I see him. What's good, Highlight? You got him? Is that you right there, bro?
What up, Chi-Town?